Located in the heart of the Anambas Archipelago in Indonesia, Bawah Reserve beckons visitors with its mesmerizing natural wonders and pristine beauty. As we step onto the shores of this remote sanctuary, we are greeted by a symphony of turquoise waters, lush greenery, and vibrant marine life. Here, amidst the tranquility of nature, awaits an unforgettable vacation experience that combines luxury, adventure, and unparalleled relaxation. We are staying in one of Bawah Reserve's overwater villas. Perched above the tranquil lagoon, these secluded sanctuaries offer a seamless blend of comfort and natural beauty. Each morning, we wake up to panoramic views of the sea with its mesmerizing shades of blue and turquoise, with the gentle lapping of waves as our personal orchestra. The allure of Bawah Reserve begins with its crystal clear waters, inviting us to dive into a world of wonder. Imagine stepping off the shore and immersing in the pristine embrace of the ocean. The waters here boast unrivaled clarity, revealing a kaleidoscope of colours beneath the surface. From vibrant coral reefs to schools of tropical fish darting through the shallows. Every snorkeling excursion promises an inspiring encounter with this underwater haven. A vacation to Bawah Reserve in the Anambas Archipelago is a journey into paradise itself. Whether you seek adventure or relaxation, Bawah Reserve invites you to immerse yourself in the beauty of nature and create memories that will last a lifetime.